What's up, boys and girls? Chris Nelson here, and this week I want to talk a little bit about, give me a second here. There we go, that's better. I want to talk about 7 repairs that are relatively inexpensive that you can do to help bring some additional value to your home. With the holidays being here, I know that money is on everyone's mind, whether you're looking to save money on your repairs or make money on the sale of your home, money is on your mind. That's why I lit it up green. So let's jump into a few repairs or improvements that you can do that are easy on the pocket, but yet can help you sell your home for more money. One repair that you can consider is just simply replacing some of the hardware or pulls on your cabinetry. Generally, this will apply to the kitchen, but maybe depending on what you have in your bathroom, you may want to spend a few extra dollars and replace any of the hardware that might be on the cabinets. It's super easy, and you'll be surprised how much of a difference it can make. Another repair, and this one is probably the most common, but it's paint. If you have the ability to paint yourself and you have the time, go ahead and do it. If not, hire someone local. You'll be surprised how you can find someone locally and inexpensive to paint your home. Another thing to consider, and this one may not be as light on the pocket, but consider upgrading some of your appliances. A lot of times we can find appliances that are end of life or being discontinued, or clearance items that you can get relatively inexpensive, especially around this holiday time frame, that could help you improve the value and appeal of your home. And let's just be honest, who doesn't like cooking on a new stove? So it also will benefit you until you do get to sell your home. Another thing that you might want to consider, and I really like this one, consider replacing or maybe even adding some additional light fixtures. There's something to be said about a home that's properly lit. You'd be surprised how much energy you can get, or positive feelings you can get, just from adding some new lighting and making sure that all of your light bulbs are consistent. There's some pet peeve of mine where I go into a room and over here there's a daylight and over here there's soft white. It just doesn't make sense. While we're on the topic of lighting, another thing that you might want to consider is to add some additional exterior lighting. Lighting has become so popular and there's so many options. I mean, I find myself on so many different websites and apps, whether it be Amazon or whatever the website may be, and the amount of lighting fixtures for both indoor and outdoor are just endless. As a matter of fact, you can actually get some outdoor lighting that you can control from your smartphone to give you different effects. So again, just consider some additional exterior lighting. All right, so this last tip is probably my favorite tip, and that is consider replacing your front entry door. There's a certain amount of time that's spent when we are showing homes right there at your front entry door simply because we have to go into the lockbox and get those keys. And it allows buyers to just kind of get a feel for what they might expect on the opposite end of that door. So, and if you can't afford to actually buy and replace the door, this is the cool and creative thing about this particular upgrade or repair. Consider painting your door, or maybe even just replacing the hardware, or a combination of the two, because your front entry door will set the tone of what buyers can expect once they get inside. So there you have it. There are tips to help you sell your home for a little bit more money without breaking the bank. And hopefully you have found some value to one, if not all of these tips. So do me a favor, please like, comment, and share, because if I can get this tip in front of one person who finds value in it, well then my job is done. And with all of that being said, please check in next week for the very next episode of Just the Tip Tuesday with Chris. Until then, take care.